Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Arif bin Khairuddin. I'm a BTESOL student from Management Science and University, and this is my video for my project for subject EED20803, English Language Testing and Evaluation.
Okay, good day everyone. I'm Divya Bharati Dularaju. So I will be your assistant for today's debate. I will evaluate your performance based on the rubric, which is my rubric. So now first you'll introduce yourself first.
Hello everyone, my name is Siti Murni.
My name is Muhammad Arif.
Hi, my name is Amir Shahid.
My name is Amin Abilhan.
Okay, nice to meet you all. So today's debate topic is which is better, online class or physical class? So before we begin, I would like to ask who would like to support online class and who would like to support physical class. Discuss first. Okay.
So I will take the online classes.
We will take the physical class.
Alright, now that we have both team already, so let's begin. I invite the first speaker from the online classes. Good luck.
Okay, so I think online classes is more convenient because in terms of flexibility and location wise. Because online classes you can take it anywhere despite having a difficulty in your schedule.
I disagree with that. This is because we are aware that flexibility of online classes will lessen the students' discipline, attention span, and maybe because of non-presence of the monitor, such as the teacher or maybe the parents yourself, it will discourage the students to focus and pay full attention to the lesson.
I half agree on that because it is important to have a figure of authority such as teachers, but online classes have been a thing for a long time. Other universities across the world have done it before, and to me that is a symbol of how effective it is. And although it's not really effective for everyone, but with the correct program and also up to the students, online classes can actually be more beneficial than physical class.
I half disagree to your statement because I think physical class is better than online class because in physical class, the student can have a more engagement with the teacher, and when they have a more engagement with the teacher, they will be exposed to a real world situation and real world activity where the teacher can guide them and supervise them in terms of everything that they want to do according to the subject.
I disagree with your statement because I believe that nowadays you can use a real life situation through videos or movies as example, and that also really help students to already understand and acknowledge things that we're going to learn through online classes.
I had to disagree to your statement because even though the online class using the video as a guide to your activity, it doesn't mean that the student are exposed 100% to the real world situation. I mean, even though they see the video, that doesn't mean they understand, and that doesn't mean they can follow the video 100%. In the physical class, when the student are exposed to the real world situation, they can do the activities under the teacher supervise, and then when they do the mistake, the teacher can directly correct their mistake and told them how to do in the correct method, and have a real guidelines rather than online class and the video.
I have to disagree on that because nowadays we have a lot of softwares that can help teachers to immediately detect the mistakes of the students. For example, you have Kahoot, you have quizzes who
Much more engaging.
much more engaging, and they also help the lecturers or the teachers to immediately identify students' mistakes without having for the teachers to check individually. I mean, this is 2025.
I'm disagree with your statement where you think that online classes such as Kahoot website will immediately correct the student. As we can see, this teacher need the Kahoot session to end first, and then after that she will get the result to correct the students. Not like the physical class. The teacher will instantly correct the student, such as when she is asking a question and the students answer it wrong, and then she can instantly correct the students.
I disagree on that because on online classes, even at the end of the session, you can have a feedback session. So you cannot just end it just like that. You can have a moment with your student to facilitate and also give a very good feedback.
But that means that you need to wait until the end of the class, right?
No.
Until the end of the game of the Kahoot. Not like in the physical class.
That's the purpose of the online game.
Also, I want to add on Ken's statement. Even though the activity can do through like quizzes, Canva, right? I mean, some of the students may not use 100% of their brain. Maybe they use ChatGPT to copy and paste in it, and they just elaborate from the ChatGPT. So I think it's better to do more physically. Where they use their brain more than rely on technology.
I understand your situation, but which is why we also have in online classes we have standardized tests, that's where we can evaluate students or do they understand the topic or not. Because on that test they cannot do cheat or ChatGPT anything else.
And plus, quizzes and Kahoot, if done properly, it can be very helpful to the teachers because again, it helps students. It can help students to realize in what topic they are weak, or in this case, not very proficient. So I guess that's one of the benefits of online class rather than physical class.
Alright, sorry for the interruption. Time's up, and thank you so much both teams for your effort and participation in today's debate on which is better, online class or physical class. I was interesting to hear that different perspective and arguments. Both teams did very well in presenting. Just give me some time to review and finalize the assessment. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.